Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, what we have here is a Kenmore washer. Customer's complaint is that it's leaking. Basically, this unit is a Whirlpool direct drive washer. So what we're going to do is just fill it up and run it. And see if we can't actually see a leak. Alright, we've put it to the largest water level, let it fill up. It's agitating now. We're just going to go ahead and put it through a spin. What we're doing is just making sure the standpipe isn't backing up, and then once we get it through the spin, we're going to tip it towards the back and look underneath and check for any signs of water. Okay, we've spun the water out. We just pulled it out. We're just going to go ahead and tip it straight back, kind of lean it up against the wall here. You want to be careful you don't overextend your drain line or your fill hoses, which we got plenty of slack on these. Just kind of lean it up like that. Get a look underneath, check for any signs of water. So we're basically just feeling around on the back side of the pump. A common place for most Whirlpool direct drive washers to leak is right on the back side of the pump. The impeller will kind of wear through. This one, usually the ones that leak, the back of the pump is really smooth. This kind of is a little more reinforced. It's a newer pump. So this one's not leaking from there or on the center of the shaft where the motor comes up through. Sometimes they can leak there. Just kind of feeling on our drain hose here. Got no water coming off of that. And you look around on the cabinet, see if you can see any kind of signs of water splashing up over the edge or anything. Just not really seeing anything. Just look at any of the dust, the dirt. Sometimes can give you an indication on where water might be coming from. But I am not seeing any signs of water whatsoever coming from this unit, so thinking maybe the customer just has some water that's leaching into the basement from the foundation, or they've got maybe an issue with their standpipe overflowing. So we got our drain pump right here mounted onto the motor, and then this is the drain hose right here. That's really about the only two places that these will typically leak from, other than possible inlet hoses leaking or the valve on the back side. There's not a whole lot of places for the Whirlpool direct drive washers to leak from. The only other possible place that we could be seeing a leak come from would be if the drain line itself is backing up the standpipe. Sometimes if you put two tubs full of water down the standpipe, if they're having a slow drain or a drain issue, the standpipe will back up and overfill and water will dump onto the floor. That would be basically a plumbing issue. They could have a root growing into their drainage system. Might just need to be snaked out, but not something that can be rectified by an appliance repairman. And another thing you can always look for if you're thinking that a standpipe might be backing up or they have a drainage issue, is find a drain, and then if you look on this, you can see kind of debris laying up around the outside of it. A lot of times that's an indication that the drain line or the system is backing up and debris is overflowing. So just another thing to kind of look for to point you in the right direction. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.